Hello Tol Kabooms! Here's a simple video tutorial on how to add Coinex Smart Chain in your Metamask wallet. So this is for mobile version. So for those who don't know yet, so Coinex Smart Chain mainnet is already live and you can add it on your Metamask wallet. So how to add the Coinex Smart Chain in Metamask wallet? So first, go to the settings of your Metamask wallet. So here, just click settings. After that, click networks, then add network. You can check all the data in the description so that this will be your guide. So I will put in the description section. So in this area, so you will need to provide the data. So the network name will be, you can put a Coinex Smart Chain. Then the RPC URL is https rpc.coinex.net. Then the chain ID will be 52. Then symbol is the CET, Coinex token. And for the Explorer, so https then www.coinex, so make sure the spelling is correct, so coinex.net, and don't forget the dot. So once you put all the data here, so click add button. So that's it. So next tutorial video, so I will guide you on how to send Coinex Smart Chain on Metamask wallet.